Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to deposit money on Skrill. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, we have the pay online option. We also have the buy and sell crypto, the send to anyone on Skrill. We have transfer internationally, send money to bank account, get a Skrill card, and earn rewards with their loyalty program. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and deposit money on Skrill. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So go to Skrill website or open the Skrill on mobile app and log into your account. And then click on the deposit tab. After you click on the deposit tab, select your preferred method, such as a credit card, debit card, bank transfer, or a pay safe card. Input the amount you wish to, of course, go and deposit. After you have done that, review the details and, of course, just at the end, confirm the transaction. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.